Some scene, isn't it? It's no wonder people come to Thailand and spend the whole winter. Buffet dinner tonight. Sawadee-ka. Are those the hugest prawns, tiger prawns you've ever seen? Incredible. We did not walk far enough before we ate dinner on the main street of Koh Chang. Lots and lots of restaurants. Look at these snapper. I'm sure you're going to agree with me, there are enough restaurants to pick from. Every single one of these signs is something that you could do here in Koh Chang. A dolphin show, boats to some of the other islands, the 4-island boat, big boat with a full day of snorkeling, fishing, and even an ATV tour. Little Munchkin is out here tonight with her load of chewing gum, selling gum. It's more interesting around here in Koh Chang than it was at the night market.